showing our gratitude to the Hong Kong community.
Behind every Hong Kong student, there's always a dedicated staff supporting us.
Today we'll be showing gratitude in person.
Now join us as we thank our staff in person.
I want to give this gift to staffs to show our appreciation. They make our lives more easier. Thank you for always serving us and helping us whenever we are in need of it.
We would like to thank the staff for feeding us before our long nights of study. I really like learning so fun.